Welcome to Stylist Factory. If you're prepping for the Texas Cosmetology Practical Exam, you're in the right place. Want to pass your TDLR chemical services with confidence? Today I'll show you the exact test-ready sequence for hair color and highlights. What to say, what to do, and what not to do, so you walk in calm and walk out licensed. Examiners grade process and safety, sanitation, draping, clean sectioning, correct application order, timing calls, and proper disposal. Say your steps out loud and treat your mannequin like a real client. I've sanitized my hands. I'm disinfecting my station and implements. I'm applying a clean neck strip and towel and draping with a chemical cape. All products are labeled. Contaminated items will go in the trash bag, disinfectables in the EPA-approved container. State Board expects you to acknowledge consultation and testing, even if simulated. I would perform a predisposition test 24 to 48 hours prior for aniline derivative color. I'm performing a strand test to check processing and target level. I'm protecting the skin with barrier cream along the hairline. Section into 4 quadrants. Work clean 1 to 4 inch subsections. Saturation, chuck sock, success. I'm mixing color per manufacturer directions, starting in back right quadrant with 1 4-inch subsections. For virgin application to deposit, I'm applying from scalp through ends. No overlap on previously colored hair. I maintain clean partings and full saturation. I'm checking perimeter and hairline. Last, for even coverage, I will cross-check my sections horizontally for holidays. I'm timing per directions. I'll do a strand test for readiness. For a retouch, apply only to the new growth, 1 4-inch off base if required. Avoid overlapping. Refresh mids ends at the end if needed. For lightening, TDLR commonly expects midshaft first, then roots, then ends, because body heat speeds up the root. I'm mixing lightener per directions. Starting 1 to 1 inch off the scalp, I apply to midshaft first, 1 4-inch subsections. I keep product off the scalp initially. After initial lift is achieved, I return to apply at the scalp area. Finally, I refresh the porous ends briefly to even the lift, watching closely to prevent damage. I'm not overlapping onto previously lightened hair. I'm observing scalp condition, no irritation. I'll remove any contamination immediately and re-glove if needed. Foils show control. Examiners watch for neat sections, consistent weaves, saturation, and tidy folds. I'm working in the front right quadrant, 1 4-inch partings, using a fine to medium weave. I place the foil snug to the scalp, anchor with a small amount of product, then fully saturate the selected strands. I'm folding cleanly, bottom up, sides in, then a final book fold, no bleeding. I stagger foils for even distribution. I do not push product to the edges. I'm checking saturation and keeping the sectioning clean. I will check a strand for target level. I'm moving to the shampoo bowl. Gloves on for removal. I'm emulsifying at the bowl, then rinsing thoroughly until water runs clear. If needed, I apply toner per directions, watch timing, then rinse and condition. I remove the cape carefully to prevent contamination, disinfect my area, and dispose of waste properly. One of my students rushed a retouch and overlap lightener onto already lightened hair. The mannequin showed banding and breakage, and she panicked. We turned it into a lesson. Slow down, watch the line of demarcation, keep 1 to 4 inch sections, and saturate only the new growth. She rehearsed the narration. Midshaft first, then roots, protect the ends, and her next mock test was flawless. She passed the practical because she learned to control the process and speak the procedure. Want my exact pre-exam checklist to practice at home? The link is below. And don't forget to like and subscribe, because in the next episodes, we'll tackle even more TDLR exam steps. Don't risk wasting $300 on retakes. Learn the Texas way and pass with confidence.